In this video, I'll show you how you can skip the US custom lines for free. To do this, you want to download the free app called Mobile Passport Control, and here's a website that explains more about it, but I'll explain how to use it. How this app works is that once you get to the airport, you'll be able to go to a separate customs line versus the regular one, and then you can open up the app and fill out the form there. Once you do that, it'll ask you to take a picture of yourself, then you'll be able to go to that separate line, and the agent should be able to confirm if you did it right. And because not that many people know about this app, this line tends to be a lot shorter than the regular one. When you open up the app, it should look like this. And then when you first use it, you need to create a profile and add your passport info. But then once you do that, you should see this new submission button at the bottom. And then when you select it, you should be able to select the airplane option and then select the airport you're flying out of. And then also make sure you select a terminal. And then from there, you want to choose your profile. And if you're traveling alone, you can just say that at the bottom. But then from there, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom and accept these terms. And then from there, it's going to ask you the same questions that you usually see on a customs form. So I'll go ahead and select no for all of these. And at the bottom, you can say I have nothing to declare. And then from there, you want to go ahead and submit this form. And then you'll see here, it'll ask you if you're at your airport, and then you want to click submit. And then from there, it'll ask you to take a photo of yourself, and then you should be done. I want to point out, not all the airports use this app. So if you scroll to the bottom of the page that I was looking at, it lists all the different airports that use it. So I'll include a link in the description so you can check for yourself. But I would make sure to double check this before trying to use the app. Thanks for making it this far into the video. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.